praise you, Jesus, the Son of the living God, the great I am. I worship you, my Lord and my King, King of all the earth. I give you all the glory. I praise you, Jesus. I give you all the glory, all the praise. You are my Lord, and there's none like you. My Lord and my King. I submit my life to you. I surrender to you. I praise you, Jesus, the Prince of Peace. You are the Creator, God, the Creator of the heavens and of all the earth, the Alpha and the Omega. I praise you, Jesus. I praise you, Lord, for peace in my life. I praise you, Lord, for prosperity in my life. I praise you, Lord, for wisdom and understanding for me. I praise you, Jesus, for my life belongs to you. We are your people called by your name, and we love you, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. We praise you, Jesus. I praise you, Jesus. You are my Lord, and there's none like you, my Lord and my King. This song was produced by Brian Mafua. Special thanks to Rose Dile